How to open group tabs on Opera GX. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you open or access group tabs on Opera GX. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Opera GX on your device. After you open Opera GX, you'll be able to find this kind of interface. From here, if you want to find or open group tabs, you'll have to just tap on the tab icon at the bottom right. It will look like with two attached square icon. Simply tap on that. And from the section, you'll be able to find your tabs on Opera GX. Simply from here, you can tap on plus icon if you want to add new tab. And that's it. This is the method you can access multiple or group tabs on Opera GX. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.